Antigen antibody binding theory is a fundamental concept in immunology, explaining how our immune system recognizes and neutralizes foreign invader like bacteria, virus, and toxin. It's like a high specific lock and key mechanism at the molecular level. Antigen antibody binding theory is a fundamental concept in immunology. The key player antigen, these are foreign molecules, usually proteins or polysaccharides that our immune system identify as non-self. They can be found on the surface of the pathogen, toxin, or transplanted organs. It's foreign proteins, polysaccharides, can be found on the surface of the pathogen, toxin, or even transplanted organs. It's non-self. The body recognizes it as non-self. The antigen antibody binding theory is fundamental concept in immunology, explaining how our immune system recognize and neutralize foreign invader like bacteria, virus, or toxin. It's like a high specific lock and key mechanism at the molecular level. Antibody, these are Y-shaped protein produced by B cells, a type of white blood cell. Each antibody has a unique antigen binding site, also called the paratope, that can specifically recognize and bind to the antigen. This is the binding sites and bind to particular antigen, the epitope. The binding process. The binding process includes recognition and binding, binding, and neutralization. Recognition, binding, and neutralization. Recognition: an antibody recognize or encounter an antigen and their complementary shapes. Binding: weak non-covalent bonds such as hydrogen bonds, electrostatic bonds, van der Waals forces holding them together. Neutralization: once bound, the antibody can neutralize the antigen in various ways, such as blocking, opsonization, activation of the complement. Blocking or opsonization or activation of the complement.